A prototype of an electric car was showcased in Russia. Once again, they've created a monster. In Russia, the domestically developed, super-modern, Unveiled electric car was presented to the public. According to the creators of this masterpiece, the electric car is purportedly assembled entirely from Russian components. The electric car was developed by order of the Avtotor company under a special contract with the Ministry of Industry and Trade. Previously, the Avtotor plant in Kaliningrad assembled cars from brands such as BMW, Kia, and Hyundai, but there are plans to start manufacturing Russian electric vehicles there in the future. According to the creators, all the main components of the electric vehicle, the engine, inverter, control boards, and batteries, were developed and manufactured in Russia. They also emphasized that the electric car will be compact and affordable, since the battery can be rented rather than purchased, and expensive technology is not required for the body's production. The developers plan to submit the first pre-production cars for certification in 2024 and launch mass production in 2025. Avtotor electric cars will be produced under the Amber brand. The developers also showcased their other projects, an unmanned cargo van and an electric ATV named Stels. The van is a variation of a passenger electric self-driving minibus. The electric ATV is designed for urban use, capable of accelerating to 80 km per hour and with a range of 100 km.